This is the video tutorial about getting rid of the fake human verification alerts by the site Allitedinc.club. Allitedinc.club is a new dangerous site. It may attack Google Chrome and it may affect other browsers too. It tries to make you click on allow, supposedly to help you prove that you are not a robot. But if you mistakenly do that, and if you click on that allow button, your browser will be hijacked and infected with plenty of junk advertisements. Be very careful and don't click on allow. And if you have done that, your browser will be hijacked, so you need to get it fixed. Access the menu of the browser, go to settings, select privacy and security, then go down to site settings and in permissions choose notifications. So remove the junk sites if you find them on the list. Carefully, one by one, get rid of them. I also recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner. It can be found on the website combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.